share about how we can quickly and easily make the annoying problem in Revit when you use the stairs in the Revit. So in Revit, the stairs and the floors are not automatically connected, so we have to do it manually. So I'm gonna share with you guys the quickest and the easiest way, so bear with me. So to do this, the first thing you want to do is just select the stairs right here and then go to the edit stairs. I'm gonna go to this second floor and we're just gonna create a landing here, right? So we're gonna, create a landing and then make that connected with the stairs, and so all these things are connected with the floor and stairs together. So just click the sketch mode, and then I'm gonna choose the rectangle and just draw it right there. So now I'm gonna select that and move it. I'll just click MV in the keyboard and just move it right here. Alright, and I'll choose the right click and then right click once again. So now we see on the section, and this is now all the things are connected. But the problem here is the floors and the landings are now interacting each other, so it's like a union. So I have to edit the stairs and delete the part that is connecting with the landing. So just click on the floor and click edit boundary. So we have to go to this second floor. Second floor and open view. So what we have to do is we have to choose the align and then click on that, delete element. Alright, and check that, click yes and cancel that. Alright, so we go to this section 1 and now everything is, the problem is solved. I hope this video helps you out with your Revit learning journey. If it does, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye bye.